Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Shopify. This integration is incredibly useful as it allows you to sync your customer data, track purchases, and create targeted email campaigns based on your store's activity. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're there, log in to your Mailchimp account using your credentials. This will take you to your Mailchimp dashboard where you can manage all your email marketing activities. Now, look over to the left side menu and click on the option labeled Integrations. This section houses all the third-party applications that Mailchimp can connect with, giving you the power to sync your marketing efforts across multiple platforms. You'll now see the integrations page displaying various applications. Since we're looking for Shopify specifically, locate the search bar at the top and type in Shopify. Once it appears in the results, click on it to proceed. This will direct you to the Shopify overview page. Take a moment to scroll down and review the features and additional capabilities this integration offers. You'll see how it can help you automate abandoned cart emails, segment customers based on purchase behavior, and sync product data directly into your campaigns. Once you've reviewed the benefits and you're ready to move forward, click on the Get Started button. After clicking Get Started, a new window will open redirecting you to the Shopify login page. Here you simply need to log in with your Shopify account details. Once logged in, Shopify will prompt you to authorize the connection between Mailchimp and your store. This authorization allows Mailchimp to access your customer data, order information, and product catalog so it can create personalized marketing campaigns for you. Review the permissions carefully and click Authorize to complete the integration. Once authorized, the two platforms will begin syncing and you'll be able to leverage your Shopify data directly within Mailchimp for more effective email marketing. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Mailchimp with Shopify, opening up powerful automation and segmentation possibilities for your e-commerce business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.